Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, and you can see using the remote on the key fob I can operate both sliding doors and the power trunk with touch of a button. This is a brand new conversion, very easy to operate. I can do the entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got a handle on the driver's side, handle on the passenger side. You can see I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. It's 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. Down here at the base, it does taper down to 32 inches at the base where the ramp sets. It's got 8 tie-down points to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. Headliner is in excellent condition. It's got your cup holders back there. Got a touch of a button there if you want to shut the ramp or the door electronically. Rear air controls. Super clean van. The dash is excellent condition. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera. Dual climate control. Got a real nice center console there with plenty of plugs for all your electronics. You can also operate all the power doors up there as well. And say you're going to use this for a taxi cab, you can turn those power doors off and they'll just slide shut, or you can easily turn it back on and they'll go back to electronic. So if you're worried about those doors open and closing all the time, you can turn those power doors on or off at your touch of a button. We do give a free set of Q-strength pull tight tie downs away with each van, brand new Q-strengths. And when everybody's secure, come back out, shut everything down, and you're ready to roll. I'll do a quick walk around to the van. It's got the tinted windows, alloy wheels. All the tires are in excellent condition. Lots of tread left on all the tires, darn near brand new condition. It's got the roof rack up there. And I tell you what, it's hard to find a dent or a scratch in this van. We buy these all. Auto check shows a clean title, miles are actual, no accidents. That's exactly what we're looking for. I want to buy top quality vans. I don't want to skimp on the price. I don't want to skimp on the van. I want to buy a good quality van so our customers down the road know that you know, it's going to be a good vehicle for them. That's what we're really trying to go after. So it does come with 1 key fob. If you'd like us to get the second one made on your dime, we sure can. Also has a remote start, which I'll might as well show you right now. Hit the button twice. It fires right up. A great feature to have, you know, this time of year to get your windows defrosted. Even if you have a garage, it's still really nice to come out to a warm vehicle. And even in the summertime, it's great to come out to a vehicle that's nice and air conditioned. So I'll show you the backup camera. Nice feature to have. Help you see what's going on behind you. Current mile is 21,212. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.6 V6 engine from Dodge. This van comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Dodge, a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, and the conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. As I crawl underneath the van, you'll notice our competition. They very rarely show you the undercarriage of the van. The reason is they buy a lot of these stuff from New York, you know, up in the Rust Belt area. They can buy them cheaper up there, but the problem is, you know, they're going to be rusted out already. A lot of them will be. So, no matter who you buy from, make sure they get off their behind and get out and make you a detailed video like this. And if they won't do that, you know, who you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? Look how clean all of our vehicles are. They're not all beat up and rusted. You know, gonna have a bunch of issues. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume, oh, it's a 2020. It's 20,000 miles on. That can't have any rust underneath it. It runs and drives great. It's got to, because it's almost new. And now that's not always the case. So that's why we make these videos. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. I'll show you the VIN number there as well. So yeah, don't assume things. Tell people to get off their behinds, get out and make you a video. We even test all the power windows, the power locks. Yeah, there's a 99% chance everything's going to work on a vehicle this age. You know, darn near new. But we test everything. We don't try to hide anything. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. I know this is a large investment to make on a vehicle you may have never seen in person, from a person you've never met. So that's why we go the extra mile. It's got the leather seats. Super clean. Let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. feel the transmission shift, and you know, you don't have to assume, you know this vehicle runs and drives good. There's no issues that we're not telling you about. It's up to 72 miles an hour, no problem. I'm gonna back it off here a little bit. You can see the steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not bouncing back and forth. That's exactly what we want. I've got the cruise control set at about 65. And listen, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I get it. You know, just be aware who you're buying from. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You look at our reviews online on Google. I believe we had 4.8 out of 5 stars. We have over 600 transactions on eBay. We've never had a negative review. So yeah, that's 600 good reviews, 0 bad reviews. So, you know, we're a company with a good reputation. We're very honest on how we do business. We're very honest about what we're selling. That's rare to find in you know, the used car dealer's business. So I do this all the time. I know there's very few honest people out there, and that's unfortunate, but that's why we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of our competition, they have a real nice price on the internet. Come to find out, they got a $500 or $1,000 in fees they charge you. They call them document fee or an admin fee. Those fees are just for doing paperwork. They're just trying to hide the money from you. So give it a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So it's not quite a brand new van, but it's sure not far from it. Very clean, very well taken care of. Back to the competition, you know, they hide, if someone's gonna hide money from you, not tell you about fees, what else are they hiding from you? Again, that's not how we do business. Try to be honest and fair as we possibly can. Also keep in mind, I am the owner of the company. I'm not a used car salesman. If you call the competition, you know, if you want to talk to a used car salesman, that's probably not gonna be there in 2 or 3 months, probably moving on to the next job to chase that commission check. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't really care if you get the truth. They just care about that commission. Well, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. So if you want to talk to a used car salesman, give the competition a call. I'm sure they'd love to talk to you. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If text messaging is easier for you, you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. I want you to talk to the competition. I want you to call one of those big companies and tell them you want the owner's cell phone number. That way, if there's ever any issues or any questions you have, you can call the owner right up anytime and get your answer. So see if they care about the commitment to customer service enough to give you the owner's cell phone number. Also keep in mind, we do have financing available. We can do an application over the phone. We can take one, send one to your email. We can send one to your phone. Also keep in mind, we see our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. Again, we do have free shipping in the lower 48 states. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.